Fiber doesn't get nearly enough credit. It keeps you full, feeds your gut, and balances your blood sugar. So here are 5 easy recipes that finally give fiber the attention it deserves, starting with one people literally call caviar lentils. Start by boiling half a cup of rinsed black lentils for about 15 minutes. Drain, then season with salt and furikake if you have it. These hold their shape so perfectly when cooked that they actually look like caviar, and honestly, they might be the most underrated fiber-rich pantry staple. Next, whipped edamame avocado toast. And yes, it is as good as it sounds. Combine edamame with 1 ripe avocado, the juice of a lime, Greek yogurt, nutritional yeast, cilantro, and blend until smooth. Pipe generously over toasted sourdough and optionally finish with smoked paprika. This one is for anyone who likes to make one big meal and eat well all week. A miso sesame dense bean salad. Whisk together sesame oil, rice vinegar, tamari, miso paste, grated ginger, and garlic. Then in a big bowl, combine diced cucumbers, white beans, edamame, cilantro, red onion, green cabbage, green onions, jalapeno, and sesame seeds. Pour the dressing over and toss well before enjoying. Next up, blueberry chia seed pudding. And this one practically makes itself. Start by mashing up some blueberries, then add chia seeds, protein milk, Greek yogurt, and maple syrup. Mix until well combined and refrigerate overnight. Under 5 minutes of work and breakfast is waiting for you in the morning. And to finish, raspberry mango chia popsicles that look way too good to be under 100 calories. Blend mango with coconut water and chia seeds until smooth. Spoon halfway into your popsicle molds and freeze for 20 minutes. Then blend raspberries with the remaining coconut water and chia seeds. Fill out the rest of your molds, insert your sticks, and freeze for at least 4 hours. They're 5 grams of fiber each, and they make the perfect summer treat. That's 5 recipes that make it genuinely easy to eat more fiber without feeling like you're trying. Which one are you making first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow Noom.